Good morning, Glebe, and here's a short announcement from the Glebe Student Council. Today, we're going to talk about two things: the Glebe NFC Tag and the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary Student Celebration Week. So now let's get started with the Glebe NFC Tags. Earlier in 2022, the Glebe Student Council introduced the opportunity to celebrate morning music and daily announcements through the Glebe Student Council website. And this year, we would like to take another step forward by introducing the NFC Tag at Glebe. So as you can see, we are now in the main office, and now I want to show you how you could submit morning music and announcement with the NFC tags. When you see an icon like this, it represents the service is supported by NFC tag. You can simply scan the tag with a tap on the icon without opening the camera or browsing the website. After tapping the NFC tag, you can submit the music or announcements through the Google form. The NFC tag will also be available for the OCDSB Care app. When you want to send a message to OCDSB Care team, you can find any of those posters and use the NFC tag to send a message. Those NFC tags will replace all the QR codes in Glebe Collegiate Institute for the following months, and the NFC tag will provide a reusable, secure, and sustainable solution for all future posters at Glebe Collegiate Institute. And also, the NFC tag is support for both iPhone and Android phones. Now we'd like to talk about the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary Student Celebration Week. I'm going to talk about what events we're going to host and how you could register for those events. The Glebe Student Council is going to host the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary Student Celebration Week on the week of November 28th to December 2nd. On Monday and Tuesday of that week, we're going to host the decade room to show all those decade items from the Glebe arcade room. On Wednesday, we're going to host a Glebe Student Council barbecue after school on the backfield of the school. And this time, we'll have option to choose between hot dogs or hamburgers. On Thursday, we're going to host the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary Student Dance, and that is also the first dance after a decade that hosted from Glebe Student Council. And on Friday morning, we will have a pancake breakfast to end the wonderful celebration week. We're happy to announce that the whole week will be free for all current students to celebrate the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary. But to provide a better event experience for all students, we have to set a maximum capacity for each event. This year, we're going to use an online platform called Eventbrite to do the ticket registration. On next Monday at 9 o'clock, the ticket registration portal will be open for all students, and the portal will be closed at November 23rd at 5 p.m. We'll post more information about the 100 Years Anniversary Celebration Week and ticket registration on the Daily Announcement Special and also the Glebe Student Council Instagram page. We can't wait to see the Student Celebration Week for the Glebe 100 Years Anniversary happening at Glebe. I hope everyone have a great 100 Years Anniversary Celebration Week in the month of November. Everyone take care and have a great day.